There are many ways to learn modal verbs, but on this channel, we focus on real practice, listening and testing. For example, look at the description below. You'll find quizzes there. Try the first one right now to check your level. Whether you're right or wrong, watch until the end because we will review all the important collocations together. Today, we are going to practice modal verbs by exploring the fascinating world of digital detox. Let's see how these words can help you change your habits. In 2026, many people feel exhausted because of constant technology. Experts say that we might face a global burnout if we don't change our habits. They suggest that everyone should try a digital detox. A digital detox means you stay away from screens for a weekend. This could improve your sleep and focus. Some psychologists think you ought to turn off notifications after 8 p.m. It might be difficult at first, but your mental health will benefit. You could also find a new hobby, like reading or hiking. If you feel stressed, you should prioritize your peace of mind over your social media feed. Remember, technology should help you, not control you. Many students today feel digital burnout because of constant scrolling. According to librarians at the University of Miami, students might find peace in physical books. Reading offers a pause button that everyone should use sometimes. Experts say that fiction could help you disconnect from a stressful reality. If you feel overwhelmed by college life, you ought to join a book club. It might be a great way to meet new friends and build confidence. Social media trends like book talk also show that reading could be a popular social activity, not just a lonely hobby. If you want to improve your focus, you should try a silent reading party. You want to remember that there is no rush. You could read at your own speed. This simple change might make you feel more grounded and less stressed. Summer is usually a time for fun, but many teenagers feel stressed because of social media. Experts suggest that a summer detox might be exactly what they need. Constant scrolling could lead to anxiety and low self-esteem. According to psychologists, parents should talk to their children about digital habits. You ought to create phone-free zones in the house, like the kitchen or the garden. This could encourage teenagers to spend more time outdoors. If a teen feels lonely without their phone, they might benefit from joining a local sports club or a creative workshop. The main advice is simple. You should focus on real-life connections. A digital break might be difficult at first, but it could make the whole family happier and more relaxed before the new school year starts. Planning a vacation in 2026 often involves too many apps and photos. To have a real experience, you should pack a digital detox toolkit. First, you ought to bring a physical paper map. Using a map might be slower than GPS, but it could help you discover hidden places that are not on Instagram. Experts also suggest you should take a traditional camera or even a notebook to write down your memories. Without a smartphone, you might feel more connected to the people around you. You could also bring a book to read while waiting at the airport. If you feel nervous about being offline, you should start small. You could try leaving your phone in the hotel safe for just 2 hours. You might realize that you don't need to check your email every 10 minutes. A digital detox should feel like freedom, not like a punishment. Great job! We've finished the news, but don't go yet. Let's lock in your progress by reviewing the most useful collocations from today's stories. Prioritize peace of mind. It is important to prioritize your peace of mind when work is stressful. Stay away from. You should stay away from toxic people. Digital burnout. Constant notifications often lead to digital burnout. Disconnect from reality. A good fantasy novel helps me disconnect from reality. At your own speed. Don't worry about others. You should learn English at your own speed. Phone-free zones. Our dining room is a phone-free zone during dinner. Real-life connections. We should value real-life connections more than online followers. Low self-esteem. Social media filters can sometimes cause low self-esteem in young people.
hidden places. I love exploring hidden places that tourists usually ignore. Start small. If you want to change your life, you should start small. Feel connected to. Music helps me feel connected to my culture.